Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about PyTest and getting started with the PyTest, how we can able to install PyTest into your Windows system. Okay, Windows, and also we are going to discussing in this video what are the rules and why we require for PyTest and how we can able to create our PyTest in Python, and also there are some set of rules to create the PyTest class and how we can able to create, and these things we are going to discussing in this today video. Okay, basically what is PyTest? A PyTest is basically unit test a framework. Okay, it is a uh, Python unit testing what we discussed in the previous video, right? The similar format of PyTest also is a advanced concept for Python unit testing. Is a PyTest is a advanced one. That's it. Okay. How Python unit testing working? The similar format PyTest also working, but it will give some more advantages. Okay, and we can able to control our execution, and also we can able to grouping our test cases. Grouping test cases is nothing but sanity, smoke, and regressions, how we are going to use, right, at the similar format, how we can able to use the smoke testing, and those are the things we can able to do for grouping for particular test cases, and we can able to run. And this is a one, it is like a simple like installation. There is a pip install pytest. This command, it will help you to install into your system. We can, in case if you are not able to install this command is showing, means if you are using a latest version of Python, then mention for pip3 and also minus capital U space pytest. Okay, if you are using in case if you are able to work with the directly pip install -u pytest also is okay. Python 3, in case if it is showing something error, then you can able to use like this. Okay, and in my case I'm going to take for directly pip install this one. And before installing, we'll discuss for the set of rules. What all the rules are presented for creation this PyTest. Okay, first rule is file name. File name. File name should be start with the test. Means whenever you create some file, that file, the Python file or normal file, any kind of file, which file you are going to create before that, it must be start with the test. After that, any name. You can use underscore or else directly you can use something, any name of that. But starting should be test. And method name or function name should be name start with the method, or we can able to function. Name should be start with the test. And after that you can underscore, you can provide something name, or without that I can able to provide like this. But the name should be start with the test. Open workspace and cmd, and whenever you running for the tests, right, uh, like if you open command prompt in here terminal, in this terminal when you are going to type pytest, then it will find what all the pytest related like files are presented, the test, it will search with the test. If any file it is existing in this entire location, it will gives that all the things it will execute. Okay, and that purpose only we are going to use, and we'll see in that how we can able to do it and all. Meanwhile we can able to start for installation. Cmd, once we start and pip, we can maximize this particular window. Okay, pip install hyphen u, capital U, okay, PyTest. If you hit now, it will install. In case if you already installed, then it will show you that required uh, things are satisfied. And in case if you are not installed already, then it will install into your local system, and it will take some more time to install into that. In my system is already there, then it is showing that requirement already satisfied. Okay, and in case if you are not installed, then it will start for installation and it will show you for success miss in the last phase. Okay, once the installation is done, then you need to open for PyCharm. Okay, in the PyCharm, and you need to file, then there is a settings. Okay, inside the settings project interpreter. In this project interpreter, you need to click for plus symbol. Once you click the plus symbol, then it will give you for search. In case if you are doing the first time, no, it will not give you. And in case if you are doing for already installed, means it will show you inside that before plus symbol Py test. Once you check this one, okay, it will give for latest version. In case if you want specific version, then you need to click here and you need to choose for which version you want. Okay, then install. It will install in your system and it will take a couple of minutes because you need to install all the related PyTest things, and after that it will give you like success message here. The package it is successfully installed like that. Now you can see the success message provided here, and you can close here and click OK. Then here also you can able to say PyTest. Okay, click OK. Then your PyTest is installed and it is going to updating entire things like package related information. It is showing here. And I'll create for sample test case. We'll see how we can able to execute. Now everything is done. Then I'm going to using here. There is a one folder I'm going to create directory. In this directory, I'm going to use for PyTest cases. Okay, PyTest cases. All the PyTest related information I'm going to create here only. And here I'm going to create a Python file that is test underscore demo. Okay, that is my test case. Now I'm going to import. I can type a PyTest. Then you can able to see there is a PyTest symbol you can able to find. PyTest. Then I'm going to use for def test underscore demo. Now I am going to print, and here I'm going to use a demo PyTest. Okay, this is my method. Okay, now I'm going to simple to run this particular underscore PyTest. If you are not importing PyTest also, it's okay, because we are going to do for demo, right? We are not going to add any kind of tests here now. Okay, but you can import. If you are not import, it's not a mandatory. If you are not import also, no issue. Okay, just for checking purpose whether the PyTest is installed into your local system or not. For checking purpose, I added here. Okay, once you've done this one, just you can open terminal and type for PyTest. Once you run this one, you can able to see how many test case it is hit. You can see there is a one test case is passed because in the entire packages I have only one particular PyTest. That's why it is hit for only one is passed. But I did not get any place my response, that is PyTest demo. Correct. Here you can able to see there is a PyTest. There is a package like a directory PyTest cases underscore test underscore demo dot py. 100% pass. But where is my report? Means that particular print statement. We don't see, right? How we can able to see? Means PyTest space hyphen v is indicate for variables. Okay, hyphen s. If I hit now, you can see now we can able to see there is a method called test demo and demo PyTest. Okay, in the class like the file name it is underscore demo py dot py colon colon and it is provided for test underscore demo. Inside that the method is executed and it is provided for demo PyTest. Yes indicates that response information. Okay, this all about for how like what exactly the PyTest and how we can able to install, what are the rules to create for your PyTest and those things, and how we can able to run the sample test case. And later video session we'll see for how many ways we can able to run our PyTest file. Okay, after that we can see that grouping and remaining things how we can able to execute one by one. Okay, that's all about this video. I hope you understand this one. Please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.